Hi everyone, in this video I'll show how to change your Facebook page name or Facebook page name change. If you want to edit or update or change your Facebook page name, so let's see. After that you can see my Facebook page. So in this way I can easily change Facebook page name or edit or update Facebook page name. So let's see. So first of all, go to your Facebook page and open your Facebook page. Open your Facebook page. So in this time I can easily edit, update or change Facebook page name. So let's see. After that you can see three dot line, click on it. Scroll down. You can see settings and privacy, open it. After that choose settings, click here. Scroll down. You can see page setups. So in this time you can choose and open page setups, click on it. Page setup, original tag. After that you can see my current Facebook page name, original tag. So in this I can easily edit, update or change my Facebook page name. So let's see. After that you can see name. So click here name. You can see edit page name. If you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. After you can see my current Facebook page name. So in this I can easily change or edit or update my Facebook page name. So let's see. You can see in this I can easily edit, update or change my Facebook page name. So you can see my new Facebook page name, technology 24 hours. So in this way you can easily change or update or edit your Facebook page name. After that you can see review change, click here. Review name change. If you change your name, you can change it again for 60 days. We may let your page followers know that the name was updated. Remember, you can see my current or old Facebook page name, original tag. After that my new or edit or update Facebook page name, technology 24 hours. Remember, your name will be updated automatically if approved. After that, submit for approval, click here. Check your email before you change your name. We need to confirm that it's you. Keep your account safe. Enter the code we send to this Gmail. This Gmail account, my Facebook page Gmail. After that, in this here you can write code. In this time I can go to my Gmail and collect or copy code. After that, enter or type or write your Gmail code. After that, choose continue, click here. You can see my new Facebook page name, technology 24 hours. So in this way you can easily change or edit or update your Facebook page name. So thank you very much and please subscribe this channel.